Hello beautiful dreamers and welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. So today's video is one that I haven't done in a minute, but I'm really excited to bring it back because I have been trying out so many different products lately and I wanted to share some of my favorites with y'all. Also, the holidays are around the corner, so this could be good gift ideas for people who you know who are interested in like skincare, hair care, makeup, all that kind of good stuff. Just some goodies and some ideas to kind of think about around the holiday time. So y'all stay tuned if y'all want to find out what that's all about. So the first couple of products I want to talk about come from a brand that we know and love on this channel. If you have been on this channel for a while now, y'all know I love me some Rose Skin Co. If y'all have not checked out my IPO videos, I have them linked above and below. Check them out. If you know someone who is tired of getting rid of their body hair and anything involving shaving, waxing, threading, all that kind of stuff, check out the Lumi IPO device from Rose Skin Co. because that is a godsend. Whoever you get that for, even if you get it for yourself, you will love it and they will love you forever. Just getting rid of that hair is like, ugh, it's a whole thing. So I will not go into all that detail on this video because I have so many videos about it, but definitely honorable mention for an amazing product that you should either try for yourself or give to somebody this holiday season because it's amazing. On this video, I want to talk about the Aloe and Cocoa Body Lotion from Rose Skin Co. and the Glow Glove. And I'm excited to talk to y'all about these products because I'm also working on a part 2 of a previous video that I did, which is like, I think one of my highest viewed videos to date. I'm not sure, but it is the Treating Keratosis Pilaris video part 1, or the KP chicken skin, strawberry skin, whatever you want to call that. I am excited to tell y'all that I have been working on a part 2 to that video. That has been a long time coming. This has been years long in a journey because in that first part I was able to get rid of the texture of my chicken skin or strawberry skin, but I wasn't able to get rid of the dark spots. So that is something that I'm really working on. Over the years I've tried so many products and nothing has worked, but I am really happy to say that using these two products has helped a lot, and we're still on the journey, so y'all stay tuned for that video because it will be coming. But I want to talk about this aloe and coconut lotion because I am somebody who, when I find products that I really like, I like to try a lot of products, but when I find ones that I really like, I don't like to get away from them. So I'm someone who has been using the same body lotion, shea butter and oils and things like that for years because I know they work well with my skin. I don't have any irritation or anything like that because I do have sensitive skin. But when I tried this lotion, I fell in love with it. Also, I'm someone who likes to wear like perfumes, so I don't like my soap or my lotion to kind of conflict with that because I can't use a lot of fragrance soaps or lotions or anything like that. So like I said, very sensitive skin. I like to use gentle products, and this lotion, for one, it has aloe in it, and y'all know that is very hydrating, very moisturizing, so that's one. And for two, the scent has a nice, really fresh and a little bit of coconutty. I know a lot of coconut things have like a strong scent and you can really smell it. This is not going to give you that, and that's something that I really love about it. Also, it's not very greasy and like slimy or like leave a cast on your hands or your body, wherever you're gonna put it. A really good hydrating lotion that really lasts throughout the day, and it feels really light. Like I said, I have sensitive skin and I don't play about the products that I use for that very reason. And so I've been using that on the back of my arms where I have the KP after I use the Glow Glove. I've used this before, but I've really been focusing on it with my KP because I love how it made my skin feel on like all of my body. So I'm really focusing on it for the KP, but this Glow Glove is amazing. So the first thing that I really love about the Glow Glove is that it's very good in deep exfoliation, mechanical exfoliation, which means you're doing it to yourself. You're not using a chemical or any kind of product or anything like that, but it doesn't feel aggressive. It doesn't leave my skin feeling like irritated or sore, or I mean a little bit red, because any kind of mechanical exfoliation is gonna leave you a little bit red, but it doesn't hurt. So y'all definitely check this out on their websites. There's always a sale going on. Of course, I have everything linked down below for y'all to check out in the description box, so definitely check them out. Those are two products that I'm really loving right now. And let's get into the next one. So the next thing I want to show y'all that I've been obsessed with lately, sticking along the lines of like skincare, exfoliation, all that good stuff, are these bamboo cotton rounds. If y'all have been on the channel for a while now, y'all know I love my little bitty rounds that I get from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 4, $1.25 each. I love them. They got kind of a soft scrubby side, and then they kind of have like an exfoliation side, which I never use. But I wanted to kind of upgrade a little bit, just a little bit higher quality. So I have a couple different kinds of the bamboo cotton pads. This one is more like the actual, like the disposable cotton pad kind of texture that you can like get from the store, and they come in a little stack of rounds. This is what this one feels like, so it's really gentle on the skin, so I really like that one. And this one is more of like a cloth kind of texture. It really helps me feel like I'm really cleaning my skin and like getting everything out of the crevices and all that kind of stuff, really helping me in my skincare. So I really like these two. They always come with these little drawstring bags that you can throw the cloths in there and then throw them in the washer so that they all stay together and the little laundry gnomes don't steal your cloths. I've been loving them lately just to help with my skincare, because I don't know about y'all, I've been struggling with my skincare, just crazy things going on in life, not eating the best. So I've really been trying to like double down on my skincare, especially before the weather gets super cold, because there's always changes with the weather changing. So I've really been trying to focus on my skincare, and that's something that's really helped me just make sure I can do my double, triple cleanses and also have my tools be clean, because I can just throw them in a washer and I'm good to go. And also they're super budget friendly. They're never super expensive, whether you buy them in store or online. So you know we love a good deal and a good steal. So definitely check those out. Of course, everything will be linked down below. So next up, sticking along the lines of skincare, I am so excited to bring y'all these two products from Regelica, which is a Korean skincare line, and they gifted me their Renewal Serum and Anti-Aging Cream. And y'all, let me calm down. Because like I said before, I don't know about y'all, but 2023 has been a hot mess. It has been a lot for me personally, and my skin is definitely showing signs of that. I've had so many breakouts, so many new dark spots, all that kind of stuff. So I've really been focusing on getting my skincare together. And Regelica gifted me their Renewal Serum and their Anti-Aging Cream. And y'all, the moment I put these products on my skin, it was like the clouds parted and the angels were like, ah. Like I said before, I am somebody who loves my products, and when I find what works, I keep it. I love it. I'll try new things, but my staple products are my staple products. But sometimes in skincare and hair care and body care, your body just gets used to the same products and they don't work the same anymore. So you got to try some new stuff out. And I am so happy that I tried these out. Both of them are something that I probably normally would not have gone for because of their texture. They're a bit thick, but I think that works out perfectly, especially as the weather is getting colder and your skin gets a little bit drier. I think it's just the perfect texture. So the Renewal Serum contains 8% mandelic acid, which is just a really gentle AHA, which is going to be a chemical exfoliant as compared to a mechanical exfoliant like I talked about a little bit earlier. It's just going to really get deep into that skin and help exfoliate that top layer of skin, give you really good, bright, and smooth skin. So that's really awesome. And the Edelweiss flower, it's said to have good antioxidant properties, which is good to help fight off those free radicals and things that kind of just come from the environment and kind of destroy your skin. So it's a very renewing serum like it says in the name, and just putting it on, it just made my skin feel so good and so just like protected. Like there's this layer and coat of protection on my skin after doing all my skincare. It just like puts everything back into it, and I love that feeling. And then the anti-aging cream, there is a 0.5% bakuchiol. We've talked about that on my channel before. There are 7 seaweed extracts, which are good for hydration and moisturization in the skin, and also niacinamide and ceramides, which helps hydrate the skin, keep that moisture in, and replenish the skin barrier. So again, this is a thick product, so if that's something that you're not interested in, I would still say give it a try, because I was not interested in having like thick layers of things on my skin, but I feel like they're doing some great things for my skin, so y'all stay tuned for that. Next up, we're gonna go into hair care for a little bit. If y'all have been on my channel this year, y'all know that I installed my DIY Microlocs. So I've been on this journey and I've been trying to find things that I can like put on my hair that won't like affect my hair in any negative way. So I've been trying to focus on like satin line, silk line products, just because cotton can cause like lint and build up in your hair and also dry your hair out and make it pretty brittle. And also, since it's getting cold, I'm looking for like satin line hats and things like that. And I want to show y'all something that I am obsessed with, and it is this MUAVES satin hair wrap. First of all, look at this color. This royal blue is one of my favorite colors for all skin tones. It just looks good on any skin tone, any race, any gender. It's just amazing. And then we got this gold accent button, and on top of just the way it looks, it feels so good. Now I have a lot of satin line things, or just a lot of satin things period, just because I'm a natural hair girly, but this is some of the softest satin I have ever felt. Oh, it feels amazing. Like I said, I just need something to kind of wrap up my hair on the days that I don't want to wear my hair out, but I still want to look nice and cute. This is a product that's going to help you cut down on frizz and all that kind of stuff. So it's a protective layer while also having your hair in a protective style. So like I said, I have DIY Microlocs, but if you want to protect your braids or your twist out or your blowout, your straight, whatever you want to do, this is perfect for any kind of natural hair. And so I'm really excited to show y'all this, and of course everything will be linked down below. They have so many beautiful colors. I love the way it makes my hair feel, and also just knowing that it's protected when it's up, whether I'm at the gym, whether I'm at home, whether I'm doing anything, just to have that and also have it be cute. Like, you don't want to walk around in a bonnet all the time. So I've been trying to look for things that I can wear out in the world that don't have me feeling and looking crazy. So definitely check them out. I love this wrap, and I will definitely be getting more styles and more sizes and more colors. And now this last product, I didn't know if I should put this in the video because it's not new. It's not like anything that I'm introducing y'all to. I'm a little late to the game, but I figure there are some people out there like me who have just been stubborn and have not wanted to try this. But y'all, these makeup eraser cloths, they are legit. Like, I think I was just being stubborn because I already had my little cotton cloths and all that kind of stuff, and I just saw these on sale and I was like, okay, I'll try them out just because they're cheap. But y'all, they legit do what they say they're gonna do. I'm actually pretty shocked because I had felt the texture of the cloth before and I was like, I have stuff like that at home already, or I have a cloth like that at home. It can't be any more special. But y'all, it's legit. Like, literally put on the water, take off your makeup, but that first makeup removal, amazing. This legit takes off your makeup, and I was actually pretty shocked when I first tried it. So I just wanted to share it with y'all because it's kind of changed my life. It's not like 1000% necessary, but it's definitely helpful. So if y'all have just been stubborn like me and y'all have not tried these makeup eraser wipes, I am legit blown away. So don't be stubborn like me. You could actually be making your life a little bit easier if you check them out. I'm not gonna lie, I was being a little cynical, but I have come around, so check them out. That is it, beautiful dreamers. Those are some of the things that I have been trying lately and that I love so much, and I will continue to incorporate into my skincare, hair care, body care regimens. Y'all stay tuned and stay looking out for that Keratosis Pilaris Part 2 video. Don't forget to check out all of the products down below. They'll be linked down below, of course, like they always are. Some of them will be affiliate links, so check them out if you want to help the channel out. Thank you again, Rose Skin Co, for sponsoring this video and always having some amazing products I can share with my audience because I just love them so much. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with somebody who you know may like it or may enjoy finding out about these products. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Don't forget to hit that bell down below and subscribe so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And thank y'all so much, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.